I have serpent.
Me too.
Connor have serpent.
They can't stop all of us.
The race! Oh no, I restarted it so many times. I'm so bad at serpent.
I have conduit.
I don't know. Can you beat us?
Too late.
Can you beat us? Damn it!
I am the master. I am one with the serpent.
Alright, we'll let you get the next one. I'm gonna babysit instinct over in this direction.
What's that?
I'm gonna babysit instinct over in this direction.
Okay. I'm going on the other side. Bernie, do you have instinct as well? Or what's your pact?
Grounded.
Okay. So you're invisible to AI, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Herbs? Yeah, not close yet for mine.
Northeast, though. No longer need instinct.
I do. About to get heavy rained. Oh, there you go.
Triggered.
Yeah, mine too. What? We're in different areas.
Yeah, but they're north. So.
Oh, okay.
They gotta be coming more your guys' side.
Still triggering? Yeah, mine's getting redder.
Yeah. Yeah, they're on your guys' side.
Like on the east side?
Yep.
That was not.
Got one.
Hello?
Another one.
That was like northish, whoever got me.
Yeah.
FYI. I think
Yep.
it was a sniper.
Yep, they're trying to get me now. Kind of scary.
That one right there.
Where's the body? Fuck.
Fuck, I suck right now.
I was trying to set her on fire and I missed. Okay, there we go. Better.
I'm reloading now.
Okay. What? Wow. Okay. There's someone really close, dude.
Okay.
I have necro, but you can't necro her right now, huh?
You
I
still
think we
sitting in the same spot?
It's still red for me.
Yeah, go ahead and necro.
They had to choke the person I killed.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Sorry, Granny. When you say fuck, what are we talking about here?
They're right here.
Oh, fuck. You do this trick again?
They're rotating.
I know, they're behind. Right here, dude. Climbing the ladder! Ladder, up top!
Yep, they set up trip mines.
Gonna drop down, maybe? Did you open this?
Yep.
About to get a whole lot harder. Stupid head! Oh, it scared me like that! sorry. I was trying to shoot a hive barrel on
Where are
them.
they?
Well, the two of them are north. East. One.
In that building or what?
No, they rotated out towards the other building, that building there. When I was shooting at them. Did they leave up top?
Yeah, I guess so.
He was up top. Yeah, they went this way.
All of them, nobody's behind, like on the south side.
I'll scan. Yeah. Okay, so two are that way, and one is southeast. Yes.
What's that way?
The way I pinged.
North.
300 to 345. Yep, right
Okay.
there.
And one is what?
120.
Okay.
Okay. Let me scan again.
How many seconds do you have?
4.
Yes.
He moved. They're rotated. He's 30 now. They're moving in together. Oh, yeah, of course.
Oh. They're trying to move.
Hit one.
Shit, they're right there.
Yep. I
Move.
hit one. Look.
There, stop. I know, but hold on.
I gotta
We're
heal.
not with you. Good
Thank
kill.
you. The one's super close.
Yeah. I did not hit that barrel like I thought I did.
You can't anyways, it's raining.
Oh, you
Oh,
right.
flechette, careful.
Where? What
I gotta
angle?
heal. Straight across the middle door.
Okay. One's back here, on the body.
Mosin.
Fuck you.
I'm bleeding. I gotta stop this.
Same. I mean, I'm not bleeding, but I gotta heal.
Sorry, Tanner. Hold on. You never see the flechette from.
He's shooting you through a gap.
I'm bleeding.
I think they got their friend up.
They
They
did.
did.
I tried to go after him, but
Damn it. Sorry.
they're shooting at you.
Yep.
Fuck off, Danny.
Got him.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hit him, but he didn't die.
I
fucker.
know. We don't know what they have for their abilities either, so I tried to.
But
Alright,
he never went down.
it doesn't matter if they go down or not. I only see the one now, so maybe they didn't get her up.
Where?
He's back there. That area. Oh. I only see one, doesn't mean I'm correct. She looked like she was behind.
No, road.
Oh, she's running. Around. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Are you by yourself? Never mind. So I never got her up. Okay, cool.
Fuck you and all your fanning fuckers.
Alright, I have. They try to fan you too?
They all had fanning chain pistols with FMJ.
Oh, of course.
I have Vulture.
I also have Vulture.
I also have Vulture.
Oh wow, we're just the Vulture squad now. We are the Vultures. People. Fuck, that way. I just happened to scan, dude. They're just coming in. At least 2. Don't know. I can't loot this person now because of it. Goop.
Yeah, in the road. Northeast 60.
Yeah.
Behind the fence here.
Yeah, they wanted to loot that person. Now I can't. Rude. You see them at all?
I hit one.
Like this way?
Yeah, they're rotating more left though. I only have 1 second left.
I have 2. Want me to scan?
Yep.
3. There is
Okay.
1, 0.
Right here. Coming.
Yep.
Oh shit.
And then 75, 60-ish range, too. Are they on the bridge, Courtney?
Nope, right here.
Oh, like up close. Okay.
Hit one. I hit the one you
God damn it.
Sparks.
First they hit you with.
There's 2 over there, by the way. Behind the fence.
Yes. See. Okay. You on the tree now? Oh, nice.
Good shot.
Oof. How did that miss? Okay. Have to reload. Throwing bees at me. Good
Got
kill.
one.
Nice.
One is circling down here, at like 315. The other one is still directly in front of me. That they're this. Do you want me to try and necro you when the bees disperse or not?
Mm-hmm.
They're throwing more beads at me. I don't know if I can. I'll be sneaked up now. I might have to. Nope.
Trying to loot.
Got one. Ow, Bo. Fuck, I was hit, dude.
He's like in the water.
Yeah, no, he's...
Are they getting the one up?
I don't know. Try and get me up. I was trying to get Courtney up. Yes. Hit him. What?
One dead. Oh, fuck off.
We're still red.
lost the
We're still
bar.
red.
I know, they're throwing shit at
I didn't know. Oh, he's right there. I didn't know what's going on, dude.
That Sparks is a problem now.
He's hit. Double tapping me.
You know?
Okay.
Oh wait, did they res? Or
I
was
don't
that...
know. No,
No, we're good. We're
Okay,
good.
okay. I'm gonna have to necro you anyways,
Yeah.
Courtney. I can't get up there.
Why not?
Because there's fire. I am learning that slugs always win.
Yep.
Friggin'
Slugs are
stupid.
gross.
Okay, now we can go
Another
this
trap
way.
here.
I got one.
Alright, don't. I'm gonna stay here with this dog. I need to complete this challenge.
Okay,
You guys
go.
keep going.
Okay. Enjoy your dog. What are you supposed to be doing?
I didn't
He's
go.
going! Run away!
No, I need him.
Ah! Ah! Your stupid challenge! Ah! He's gonna die!
Climb the ladder.
I'm trying. No,
Climb the
I
ladder.
can't, dude. I can't. I'm gonna die.
Don't die.
I hope your challenge is worth it.
No, not the dog.
I-
I need that.
Done! It had to be done, Tanner.
I couldn't climb the ladder because I was bleeding. I had to stop the bleeding. I have 5-star yet. I brought Fanning.
This is the end. I'm coming home.
Okay.
She died
Not
like
my fault.
twice.
That one wasn't my fault.
It's okay, I
You-
have 1 bar left.
She chose to let
Blaster.
herself die.
That's all I need. Dog will protect me.
I have no health. I have no.
I've killed once. What makes you think I won't kill again?
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I just want to live.